U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo threatened employees of the International Criminal Court in March with entry bans. Now the chief prosecutor is affected. Faith Bensouda was withdrawn the visa. Bensouda had been investigating war crimes in Afghanistan in 2017, which would also affect U.S. soldiers. The U.S. seems to want to prevent that. The prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, ICC, could continue to travel to New York, if they have to report to the UN Security Council, said a spokeswoman for Bensouda. This will continue her work undeterred. The ICC operates impartially and independently. Read here an interview with Bensouda. Bensouda had requested judicial approval of an official preliminary investigation. In their view, there is ample evidence of war crimes and evidence that U.S. soldiers and U.S. CIA intelligence officers tortured or brutally treated inmates in 2003 and 2004. The International Criminal Court is pursuing genocide, war crimes and crimes against humanity. Its legal basis is the Rome Statute, which came into force in 2002. The treaty has 122 states, including all EU states. The US would revoke the visas of the respective persons and give no new ones if it is investigated against US citizens, Pompeo had threatened in March. The US is not a state party to the Court of Justice and has been strictly opposed to it for years. Bensouda, 55, was deputy prosecutor of the Hague Tribunal in 2004, and since 2012 she has been chief prosecutor. In her native Gambia she was Attorney General and Minister of Justice. Later she worked as a legal advisor to the Rwandan Tribunal.